I hope you all have a Merry Christmas, and you having a Merry Christmas, well, it could or could not look a little like this.
You know what? Six shot? Six shot. Yeah, I like six shot. Thumbnail, bro. Mike, just hop on it. Hop on it. No, yeah, I don't think I'm gonna float. You're gonna float. No, yeah, give me out. I got you. No, give me out. Let's go. You got the leg jacket on, man. You're good. You're good. No. You're good. Floating. You're good. No. You're good. You're floating right now. Okay, hold on to the fish. He floats. There you go. No! That's not bad. But check this out. Go. Oh! Any more? That's it, but that's pretty wide, right? Yeah. That, I can go lower.
All right? I hate people who are late.
Orderly, vato. We're trying to see that product. Yo, Sleepy, what's up, homie? You know my cousin, Sad Boy.
I think you got the wrong guy, Holmes.
Man, you're Sleepy. Everyone's saying the body of Sleepy, he like the Mexican Wolverine. And my partner here, he want to see that product.
When he talking?
My name is Jeff. Data, I love you. G.I. Jane 2, can't wait to see it. All right? I'm out here. Uh-oh, Richard. Oh. Will Smith just smacked the shit out of me.
Keep my wife's name.
Emotional, damn it!
Listen, you got at least 3/4 of your life to go. That's 3 more lifetimes to you. So don't blow it. Don't do drugs. If you're doing it, stop it. Get some help. McDonald's wants you to give yourself a chance to find out all the wonderful things you really can be. And so do I.
Heaven must have sent you. देख आदर्श ऐसे रहना ठीक है
हाँ प्रॉपर तेरा शेप आएगा.
Listen, did you know that in 1969, 4 people were killed during the Rolling Stones concert, but the overall population of the concert never changed because 4 babies were also born? Now you do.
That was too close.
Wet. Thought this shit was all wet.
I just lost $500,000. Hard loss, but I can't say it wasn't gonna happen anyways. It's okay, guys. We'll recover from this someday.
I am never gonna financially recover from this.
That this was about me following my heart. It was about me trying to find love for me. And in the end, you know, I get nothing.
I don't know. I do not believe in love.
So us teachers would never ask you students to do anything we wouldn't do ourselves.
Holy crap! What is happening?
Mr. Speaker, I am a fighter and not a quitter.
Hello, Mr. George. How much you pay for the new guy? $20? No, too much money.
I am resigning.
Whoever reads this, please tell my wife that I love her dearly and that I leave all of my possessions to her, except my gold. Bury me with my gold.
I mean, your wife could really use that gold.
No, I want it. I worked very hard for that.
Get, look, run.
Oh my God! Yes! 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 I'm wall-to-wall raccoons.
Not till next year. No one daddy's gonna buy. Here, there you go. Hey, Miss Bear. trying to use our floaty.
Don't listen to the naysayers. Everything I ever did, the thing that I heard out of people's mouth was, that's impossible. That can't be done. Or no. So whenever someone said to me, it can't be done, I heard, it can be done. And when they said it's impossible, I heard, it is possible. Maybe it has never been done before, but I'm gonna do it. And I did not listen to the naysayers.
The world is not in your books and maps. It's out there.
Friendly reminder, if you try and fail, congratulations. Most people don't even try.